That was full and it swung in late and it was too good for Warner. Got him. Straight through Ian Bell. Oh, he's got it on the cracker. Tim Southee. And Bold. Southee. Straight back in the face of Finch. He gets his wicket. He's got him first ball after the break. Oh,
that is the doorway to departure.
thank you very much for Mitchell Starc. Good Yorker, brilliant Yorker.
Frame of mind. Oh, he's cleaned him up. He just knew.
Thank you very much, Malenga does it.
Oh, bowled him. Goes for Hero. Bowled him. Full and straight.
Got him, snuck it through.
Got him.
Oh my goodness. Oh, he's got him, right through him.
That's it. The Yorker, I keep saying he's got a very, very good Yorker. That's it.
He's cleaned him up.